Morning traders, and this is your Aussie South African top 40 day trade setup for today. So I've got a few lines drawn in. So the bottom one is a level, the other two is the open and close of the day, because we do have some incorrect data. This tail is actually non-existent. I suppose it's there, but it's not this long, but we'll look at that on the lower time frames. So the key thing here is we have broken through this level. So I'm just going to use open there. So we've broken through the neckline, and if we look at it on the 20, of a massive double top. And currently we are bouncing off the 200 EMA on the weekly. Okay, so this to me is rather concerning. So depends how we close this week. If we rally today and we close above this level, then that's going to be a proper rejection off that level. And we can probably treat this as a fairly large range that's going to start taking place. But for now, this is a break of a weekly double top, and I'm watching it with a lot of interest right now, because that is a massive move to the downside. Okay, so we start looking at the daily, and we can already see we've had the buy step in, and we pretty much tagged this bottom level. This bottom level, you can see, was pretty much these swing lows here, okay, which is the level I gave you yesterday, which we actually went down and tagged. So you can see there, the green candle there, that's crap data. So you can see we almost tagged that level and the buyer stepped in. So I kind of would have am expecting actually another attempt at this level to either form a double bottom or break through and continue moving to the downside. So right now, looking at the 3 hour, we kind of nowhere on the oscillators at the moment. Trend is down though, so we just need to pay attention to that. If we look at the hour, trend is still very much down. The closing range strategy yesterday would have stopped you out. We had a nice gap to the upside, but as I said, you're looking for shorts, and we didn't quite get to the level we're looking for. We're kind of looking for a retest quite high up. Didn't get it, but you did get an opportunity to get in short to attack this level. Okay, the fact that we are defending this moving average at the moment is also key. Okay, so remember, that is my 5 minute, five minute or 5 period smoothed weighted average. Okay, so just popping down to the half hour. Let's see if anything else changes. Nothing really, just a lot of volatility. Big move down, big move up. And I think what we want to do here, just have a look here. You can see between the 61.8 and the 72.4 is where the reversal happened. Is it a reversal, or is it just a little bit of a pullback ready for a move up? I still want to see another attempt at this. V reversals are rare. I want to see. It doesn't matter if it rallies far. I want to see it come back and have a really decent pullback or a double bottom before I have a trend reversal. So for me at the moment, trend is still down. Okay. So what are we looking to trade today? Well, first let's just have a look at what's going on. So Rand dollar is 15.24, pretty much what it was at the close yesterday. 10 cent is down 0.8%, and US markets, they closed pretty much up yesterday, and the futures market is up quite a bit at the moment. So wouldn't surprise me if we see a bit of a gap. I think that's what's going to happen across all markets today. We're going to see a little bit of a rally. It's either going to be it's going to be profit taking before the weekend. Just waiting to see what Trump's next statement is going to be. So before we close off, I just want to get to ichimoku, and if we start off on the hour, you'll see Kijun Dickinson pointing down, cloud is pointing down, red, Chica's band pointing down. This trend is very strong to the downside. You're looking for opportunities to be short. If I look at my oscillators, it's also telling me look for an opportunity to get short. Now, trading just ichimoku on the hour, I'd be looking for a break of 47674. So I want to hourly close below that, and that's going to be an opportunity to be short. Challenge is it may just be 1 hour bar that rallies all the way down and then comes back up. So your stop will be above the bar here. 4 hour, everything is to the downside. Trend is to the downside. Chico span is down. Kijisen, Tekinson pointing strongly to the downside. Clouds pointing strongly to the downside. No reason to actually get out of a short if you're in one at the moment. And same with the daily. Okay, so basically I'm just looking for any form of pullback, and there is another level here. That is our daily or our weekly neckline, and that to me would be a fairly decent pullback, and that's a good 400 points. Okay, so quite simply, for me anyway, I will pay attention to this closing range, because if you look where my range target to the upside is pretty much close to that neckline. A break below here gives me a Brooks gap close from yesterday, which is right over there. Okay, so there's my range target there, there's my range target there. So whichever way we do break, those are my two targets. But my bias at the moment, even on the half hour, if you look at Kijisen, we're pointing down. This I should be looking for shorts. So don't be too surprised if we get the same as yesterday. A nice solid bounce up with a rally, and then we fall off again. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. I suspect this trend to continue. Probably some profit taking happening later this afternoon, or probably even before lunchtime, as the profitable short traders cash in and take their weekend. So anyway, that's the view that I have today. A little bit of a bounce, and then I'm expecting more downside. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.